Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete all your emails from your Gmail account. Now you have a Gmail account, you have used that Gmail account to access a lot of websites and other applications. So you want to delete all your emails and you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. It's a very simple process. You'll do it in no time. Now, in order to delete all your emails from Gmail, the first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to gmail.com. Once you go to gmail.com, make sure you're logged into the Gmail which you want to delete all your emails from. So once you're logged in, what you need to do to delete all your emails is check this box on the top left corner. Once you check this box, press on the delete button. Once you click on the delete button, all your emails will be deleted from your primary tab. But there is one more step to delete all your emails permanently. To do that, what you want to do is go to the left section and click on the more options. Then scroll down. Here you'll see an option labeled as bin. Open that. So all your deleted emails are sent to your bin. Now to delete all your emails permanently, what you want to do is check this box again. Then press on the delete forever option. Once you press on the delete forever option, all your emails from this Gmail account will be removed. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.